Hello everyone, my name is Retno Shifa and today I will show you how to use the Canva application as a learning medium. First, I need to log in my account on the Canva application that we can access for free or paid. For this time, I will show you how to make presentation videos more easily and efficiently with the premium Canva application. The next step, we can click on the presentation section. As you can see on the screen, there is the last design that I have used, which means that Canva will automatically save the work you have created. So don't worry if you forget to save your work because Canva will automatically save your work whether it's finished or not finished. After you click on the presentation section, an empty board will appear. You can fill it in and create your own template or using an existing template. As you can see on the side are some examples of templates that we can use, and there is a search section that will make it easier for us to enter a theme that suits the discussion that we will use. I will search for education, then there are lots of templates that you can use for free, and if a crown mark appears, the templates can only be used if your account is premium. Because my account is premium, I will use a template that has a crown mark. The advantage of a premium account is that we can access lots of Canva premium templates and stickers, which are also relatively cheap. So there's nothing to lose by buying Canva premium because it's very useful. Next, this is the template they have chosen. There are 12 different slide templates and there are already appropriate fonts and colors. So if you feel comfortable with this template, we can only need to change the contents of the template that we will use. And this is after I change it with the content I want. We can change the font of the writing according to what we want. We can also change the font size and add slides without the need to be sequential according to the template. And the following also show templates with the same theme, so we can add different templates in one presentation. We can also change the alignment of the writing. We can write using paragraphs or not. We can also change the color of the text, underline the text and bold the words. Then we can also use the same slide by duplicating the slide. After that, we only need to change the contents of the slide. Then we can delete the text in the template and change it to the text we want. Then there is also a list feature that is used to manually add dots to mention the text, and this is the result of the underline feature. Then there is a sticker feature. There are animated sticker and also image. We can also search for element by writing them down. We can also search photos and add photos and videos from the device we are using. We can also display the template result in full screen, and we can also animate each slide that we have created, and we can also adjust the speed, adjust the direction of the animation, and combine the animations. If it feels finished, we can save it. And Canva also has a collaboration feature. There is 3 options of collaboration. By linking collaboration, such as only I can edit in the sense that other people cannot edit my presentation result. Next is my premium theme, because my premium Canva is included in a theme, but you can also buy it individually. And last option, people who have links or people who have my Canva link can edit my presentation. So lastly, I will tell you the advantages and disadvantages of Canva. First, the advantages is even the non-designer can become a designer using Canva. Canva is very simple to use and user-friendly. Canva offers a variety of templates and elements. Canva offers a professional look. Canva is a budget-friendly and team access. Next is the disadvantages. First is limitation on number of templates. Alignment concern. The free version is limited. Unique element cannot be created. Canva can delete your account at any time. And the last is export settings are limited.
Hello
Hello guys, my name is Retno Shifa, and today we will learn about past participle and present participle. And we will talk about the difference between past participle and present participle. But before we know the difference, we have to know what is participle. A participle is a verb form ending in ing, nd, or ed that functions as a verb or adjective. At first glance, a participle is similar to gerund and that they are both ing verbs. Despite having the same form, participle and gerund have different use in sentences. Gerund is used as a noun while participle is used as a verb or adjective. And next is the definition about past participle. The past participle is a verb form that ends with ed, d, t, n, or en form the base verb if it's a regular verb. In the irregular verb forms, the form is irregular. Past participle has two functions, as an adjective and as a verb. After we know the definition about past participle, we have to know the definitions about present participle. So, from the Cambridge Dictionary, present participle is a form of verb that in English ends in ing. They appear after other verbs to show continuous action. Present participle is used to form the present continuous. Next is the function of past participle and present participle. So there are two functions of each past and present participle. So the function of the first past participle is as a verb. The past participle is always accompanied by a form of have, has, and had. Past participle is also used as a verb with the condition that an auxiliary must be used before the past participle word. The second is as an adjective. The past participle must come behind to be or to explain a noun placed in front of the noun. And for the present participle, first as a verb. The present participle is a component of a verb phrase with an auxiliary verb to form the perfect continuous tense. Present participle is used for passive voice in continuous tense. And second as an adjective. Present participle to describe a noun. There is also an ing form as a noun called gerund. Although both forms are ing, their usage is very different. We start with past participle, so first as a verb in perfect tenses, including present perfect, past perfect, future perfect, and past future perfect. The verb used is the third form, which is verb 3 or also known as past participle. Therefore, one of the use of past participle is when you want to make sentences in these types of sentence. Here are examples of past participle usage in each of the tenses. First, as a verb in perfect tenses. Present perfect tense. He has played badminton. Past perfect tense. I had watched a football match before you came. Future perfect. I will have eaten lunch by that time tomorrow. Past future perfect tense. I should have taken a bath this morning. You can also use the past participle in the passive voice. In this type of sentence, instead of performing an action, the subject receives the action of the verb. The verb used in this type of sentence is the past participle. Here is an example of using past participle in passive voice. A movie is being watched. Past participle doesn't always function as a verb, but you can also use it as an adjective. Here are example sentences that use past participle as an adjective. He bought a used car yesterday. In the example sentence, the word used is attached to the noun car to characterize the noun. Next, present participle is used when you want to describe an activity that you are actively doing. This type of participle is a basic verb that you add ing. Here's an example of using the present participle in a sentence. First, as a verb in progressive tenses. In progressive tenses such as past progressive, I was eating lunch when you called. Past perfect progressive, I had been eating lunch when you called. Present progressive, I am eating lunch. Present perfect progressive, I have been eating lunch. Future progressive, I will be eating lunch tomorrow. Future perfect progressive, I will have been eating lunch for a while tomorrow. Past future progressive, I should be eating lunch. Past future perfect progressive, I should have been eating lunch for a while tomorrow. As a gerund, gerunds are verbs with the suffix ing that function as a noun in a sentence. For example, my hobby is swimming. As an adjective, just like the past participle, you can also use the present participle as an adjective. For example, she has to use her walking cane everywhere she goes. So that's it for today's material. Hope you guys can understand. Thank you so much. See you.